Nice to talk to you. How are you?
Fine, thank you. I would like to congratulate you on your election as President of the United States of America. I would like,
Thank you so much.
if possible, I would like to call personally on you. Wherever you are, I'm willing to fly to congratulate you personally, sir.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. Well, we'll do that anytime you want, but great job you're doing in Indonesia. Great job. Proud of you.
Sir,
Really amazing. And your English is so good.
yes, sir,
Very good, the English.
all my training is American, sir.
That's great. That's indeed. Yeah, we had a great election in the U.S. We had a great election. It's amazing what happened. We had tremendous success. The most successful in over 100 years, they say, and that's a great honor. So it gives me a very big mandate to
Yes, and
do things properly.
of course we were all shocked when they tried to assassinate you, but we are very happy that the Almighty protected you, sir.
Yes, I got very lucky. I just happened to be in the right place, in the right direction. Otherwise, I wouldn't be talking to you right now. I got quite lucky, actually.
Yes, sir, and
Somebody was protecting me, I guess.
yeah.
It's, how are you doing? Everything good?
Yes, sir.
Everything good?
Yes, sir, and I also had the honor of hosting Mr. Jared Kushner, and I hope to keep in touch with him again.
That's good. Well, whenever you're around, you let me know, and I'd like to also get to your country sometime. It's incredible. The job that you're doing is incredible.
Thank you,
So
sir.
respected. You're a very respected person.
Sir,
And I give you credit for that. It's not easy.
Thank you, sir.
It's not easy.
I'll try to call on you at your convenience, sir, if it's possible. Yes, sir.
Yes, you call anytime you want. You have my number. This is my number.
Thank you, sir.
And you call anytime you want. It's my great honor to talk to you, and I'll see you soon. I look forward to. Please send to your people, to the people of Indonesia, my regards. That I have great respect for them and for you. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, Mr. President. Thank you, sir. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, sir.
Bye.